Alrighty, good people, here we go again, right? We have 10 products to dig off into. Let's get started. This is called the survey funnel secrets, okay? Now this product is supposed to help you generate more leads, okay? So I purchased the rights to resell it. So here we go. So this is the offer page. It tells you a little bit about the product itself. It talks about this free video, the first video on the site. Click my bio if you're on Instagram or YouTube, and tells about each video itself, okay, and how much it costs. This is the whole membership. This is not just for one project. This is for all of them, okay? So let me show you what's inside of this package. Okay, what's inside? This is the folder in which it comes in. Just what's inside: graphics, images, sales video, sales letter, videos. Okay, those are the videos. It comes with the index. That's the home page. It comes with a license. Now, when you click the license, it pops up and it shows you what you can and cannot do with the product itself. It shows you what you can do, what you can't do with the product. And you always go by the license. Whatever it says you can do, you can do. Okay, it's not to be given away for free. Nor free websites. So what I'm gonna do now is go through all of the videos. I go through the videos, take my notes, and so I can start applying the information. Now I printed out the offer page itself. Okay, so now I go through here, and what I'm doing is I print out the offer page. I read for things that jump out at me, or hashtags I can use for this project, and that's what you do. You take the project and you go through the whole project, put it in play for yourself, and make it happen. So let's find out about this project. Okay, this is the first time I've gone through this particular project. And the goal is to generate more people interested in utilizing resellable products. Okay, so let's get started. Talk to you soon. Click link in the description, share, like, comment. Here we go. Get busy.